Invi Air HVAC diffusers minimize everything, even diffuser condensation, thus minimizing water droplets, damp stains, structural cracks, and maintenance costs. Invi Air diffusers minimize noise. Invi Air diffusers minimize health hazards by minimizing mold and mildew growth, by minimizing static and dust buildup, and by minimizing rust. Invi Air diffusers never rust. Invi Air diffusers minimize visibility by having no frame and by minimizing the size of linear diffusers, handling double the CFM per linear foot. Invi Air linear diffusers minimize installation costs. Invi Air diffusers minimize visual clutter by blending in any interior design, by concealing air slots as artistic ornamentations, and by integrating diffusers with lighting fixtures. Invi Air shaped diffusers have a minimal profile. Invi Air diffusers minimize design limits, with endless custom-made options for any size, any shape, slot angle, and slot width, and minimize limitations of slot placement. Invi Air HVAC diffusers minimize everything, even their carbon emissions footprint. Invi Air diffusers. HVAC minimalism.